In this video, we are going to walk through the MarkDown cards. Simply log into your dashboard and go to MarkDown cards. Now know that you can create as many MarkDown cards as you would like. You can delete these if you want. You can just continue to add to them. You can even go in and make changes to the ones you've already created. But we're going to go in and we're going to create a new MarkDown card. Simply click on Create. We will give this a title. This is Carry Demo Training. And we're going to come in and I'm going to build this out just like we would a normal MarkDown card. You can see that there is different icons up here to do different things with the MarkDown card. But I'm going to show you in a way where we would normally build out a MarkDown card. This is bold. This is italics. This is the header 1, header 2, quotation marks. This is your generic list bullet points. This is your numbered list bullet points. This is a link where you can add an actual link into the MarkDown card, a clickable link that goes to a separate URL. This is your image that you can upload, and we're going to do that in just a second. You can also place a video inside of the MarkDown card. There's two ways you can do that. I'm going to show you both, and the second way I show you is my preferred way. And this is simply so you can preview the MarkDown card. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to come in and we're going to put an image, and we're going to put a header image. And we're going to simply come up here and we're going to click where it says drag and drop, and or you can physically drag and drop the image right here into where you upload the image. And we're going to open that and we're going to put a header image in here. And we're going to simply open up the logo and click upload. Now the recommended image width is about 300 pixels wide. The image length is somewhere between 280 and 300 pixels long. So basically a square. There is some code that we can use that you can place in there, some CSS code that will help you to manipulate the images if they are not the exact size I just spoke about, and I will show you that in just a moment. And let me give you a preview. And this is the image we just uploaded. Now we're going to put in a link. We're going to put in a link that people can click on and get into the funnel. So we'll just say click here. Right here below the image, I'm going to put a link, and we'll say link to this URL. We're just going to use the BeaconFunnels URL. And link to text, we're just going to say click here for coupons. And we're going to click add. And now you can see that this put a link right here underneath the header image. And we will come over here and we will click on preview. And this is the link that we placed in here. Click here for coupons. And of course what it will do is it will take you to the URL that you placed in the box. Next we're going to come down and we're going to place some text. We're going to make this a heading. We're going to use heading 2. And you can see it pushed 2 hashtags up there. Heading 1 would have been 1. Heading 3, if you wanted to make a heading 3, would have been 3. And header 4 would have been 4. But header 2, I really like the size of that. And we'll say this is our special. We'll come up here and you can preview that. And you can see it makes it nice and big and bold. Yeah, 25% off today. And you can see this is just normal text. And now we're going to come down and we're going to place another image. We're going to place an image of some products. So let's go over here to our image button and let's pick up some product here. We'll click upload. And you can see you get 25% off today. And there's our next image. And we'll come down here. And there's something I like to call micro moments and micro commitments where we put another image. And I like to do others bought this when purchasing jeans. That was obviously jeans. And we're going to make this a header 2. Come up here and you can see this will be right below here. Others bought this product when purchasing jeans. We shorten that up so that it can all be seen. And you can put other images in there. You can do anything you want here. You can make this, just build this out to where it looks good. We'll put some shirts in there. Take the space out. You see you got some jeans, you got some shirts. You can do this however you want. This is very, very, very versatile. Now, if you place an image in, and I want to show you this real quick. If you place an image in that's not, that doesn't meet the 300 pixel width and the 280 by 350 height, then you need to put in what's called CSS code. Let me show you how to do that real quick. First, let me show you what this will look like. We're going to take this header image here, and it's going to be skewed because it doesn't meet the height and width requirements that we were just talking about. We can come in and take a look. You can see how this is skewed. What we're going to do is we're going to simply pull off and place down underneath style the custom CSS code. And this code is also just above the video in this page. And when we come in, we can see that this custom image code has made this logo exactly the right size and responsive to this page. It's a great way to place small ads on the bottom of your markdown cards. And you can also, as I said before, you can place a video on here. You simply put a YouTube and our Vimeo link. Let me go in and go to YouTube. Let me open this video. We'll use this video as a demonstration. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to share, and we're just going to simply copy this video link. We're going to come over and we're going to put that right inside here. This will automatically create the iframe for the video. Click on preview and you can see the video here. Now, one thing I like to do is take the embed code directly out of. The reason for that is at the end of these videos, if you don't put the correct coding in, it will show the other videos inside of YouTube. So we're going to take that out of there. I'm going to remove this iframe, and I'm going to pull the iframe directly from the embed code in YouTube. Right here you will see embed options. We don't want to show the suggested videos when the video finishes. We're going to turn that off. We're going to turn off player controls, and we're going to turn off the video player actions. We're going to copy this iframe. We're going to come back to the dashboard, and we're going to place this code right inside of the markdown card. The only thing we're going to change this 560 to 280. Do not change any of the parentheses, any of the code that's in here, any of the brackets. We're going to change this 315 to 145. Hit preview. You can see the video. It fits perfectly. And you can see that there's no controls, there's no nothing. They have to watch the ad. Usually these ads are 15 to 30 second ads, or there's some type of demonstration. So you don't want them clicking off of it. You want them to be able to see the video. And we will go through tracking the Facebook ID pixel and Facebook pixel events and the AdWord conversion ID in another video. And that concludes Markdown cards.